Susan from Susan's Nursery. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I wanted to participate in Toddler Tuesday, and the theme for the toddlers this week is anything related to the seaside or blue. And the babies, their theme for this week is stripes or patterns. But I'm not going to be doing a baby today. I'm just going to show you 4 toddlers. And the hostess of this week's theme is Renee from Renee's Reborns, and she has 3 other ladies that help her with this theme. 2 of them are taking a little bit of a break, but I'm still going to tell you who they are, and I'm still going to put everybody's links to their channels in my description. So the first lady that's on a little bit of a break is Mandy from Mandy's Cuddlebug Nursery. And the other one is Sam at Reborn Love Babies. And then the other lady that helps host Toddler Tuesday is Cena from Cena's Dolls. And I will put all 4 of those ladies' links to their channels in my description, so you can go and check out their wonderful channels. So, as you can see, I have 2 beautiful girls sitting here, dressed all in crabs. So, we have my little Sophie, and Sophie is the Lillian kit by Bountiful Baby. I'm not really sure who her artist is. I bought them off of eBay, so they was kind of like little they were like little rescues. Didn't mean for them to be that way, but that's what they turned into. So I did get them rescued and get them cleaned up and everything. And so I'm going to tell you, oh, I didn't introduce you to the other one. The other toddler is Heather, and she is the Heather Kit by Bountiful Baby by Donna Rubert, and Lillian is also, or Sophie's Kit, which is Lillian, it's also by Donna Rubert. And I'm just going to tell you what both of them are wearing. They're both wearing little matching outfits. They have little t-shirts on with little rompers on top. So their little shirts are white background with a red sheer lace going around the neck and the bottom of the bubble sleeve of their shirts. And then their rompers are like an aqua blue, and they have white polka dots on them. And then in the chest area is a little red crab that says Krabby Cakes. So they did, these little outfits did come with my Paradise Galleries Krabby Cake dolls. So, Sophie, I just popped her hair up and 2 little pigtails. I think it looks so very adorable. And I did cut her hair, or trim it a little bit to about shoulder length. Shoulder length. And I think that's a good length for a toddler. So that's where I trimmed it to. And yeah, so she's got two little red bows up in her hair with and then I just put two little red soft ponytail holders in her hair to hold the pigtails up there. And she's holding a white passy with a red ribbon type pacifier holder. And her sister Heather are sharing a crab lovey. And Miss Heather has a big red bow on one side of her hair. And she's holding her bottle. We're still working on training her. She does take a night bottle. And she did have her surgery today. So I wasn't going to try to start training her tonight, since she did have a little bit of a rough night already. I just went ahead and let her keep her bottle. And if you've seen that light change, my phone, it won't let me run the light if it goes under 15 minutes. And I've been looking for my cord so I could plug it up. But I'll do that when I switch babies right quick. Because we do have two more toddlers that spend by the seaside today. But that's my Sophie and my Heather. And they are all dressed up in crabs. And they've been down at the seaside playing with the sand. And having a good little time. Had them a little picnic. So they've been down at the seaside having fun today. So I'm going to show you guys their brothers. We're down there with them, and I'm going to pause you and get their brothers and show them to you. So hold on just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. So we have Emmett and Bennett. And Bennett is all tuckered out. He has been playing in the sand and watching the dolphins and watching his brother play on his little surfboard that they have, little foam surfboard. And so I'll tell you what these two are wearing. So little Bennett, he's my sleeping boy. He's wearing a little romper that is dark blue on the sleeves, and around the neck and around the top of the pocket is a navy blue. And then the rest of his romper is wide white and red stripes. And in the middle, in the dark blue again, it says Captain Cutie. And it has a whale wearing a sailor's hat. And the whale is like a pale blue. And he's got his pacifier, and he just went to town with his pacifier and went to sleep on us before we could do a video. But there is Emmett. He's my wake boy, and he is wearing a onesie that is white background, and it has heather gray lining around the neck, and he has two brown buttons that's going down the top of his little onesie. And then his onesie has surfboards all over it. They have there's some dark blue and gray ones, and some orange and gray and yellow ones, and some yellow and aqua blue ones, and baby blue ones. There's all kinds of colors on there of surfboards. So yeah, that's my boys, and my two girls I've already showed you for Toddler Tuesday. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you will go and look at Sophie also has a surgery video, and Heather's was put out. I'll put Heather's out before this one. And yeah, so go check those videos out, and we shall see you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know, just depends, but maybe we'll see you guys tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for spending your time with us here at Susan's Nursery. So bye for now, guys.